Okay, I'm back, and this is part 2 of the observation requirements video. I apologize that I have to go into 2 separate videos for this explanation. My software that records the videos taps out at 15 minutes, so this should only be just a couple minutes longer. I just wanted to finish up giving you the final instructions for the observation requirement. So as I was saying before the last video cut off, this is a copy of the verification of pre-student teaching clinical experience. So again, you will take this every time that you go to observe, fill in the information, again, date it, time in, time out, and just make sure that those teachers' initials are there, or you can even have the director of the center initial it as well. But again, like I was saying, this form is mandatory. It is something that I have to have at the very end of this semester to prove that you did your 15 hours of observation. It has to be signed off by me. It has to be signed off by your cooperating teacher that you observed under, or the director of the school, and then you need to sign off on it as well. If this is not submitted and there is no documentation of your hours, then you cannot pass this course. So again, this document is very, very important for your success in this class. So make sure that you print this out and you take it with you every time that you go to observe. In addition to that form, which you can find right here, there's this field experience rubric as well. So when you open up this document, it just gives a little bit of a rating on how you did as an observer. For the most part, you'll just be sitting and watching. Again, that's what an observer does. But sometimes the teachers like to allow you to have a chance to interact with the students. And so if that happens, then go ahead and allow that experience to happen, because it will be a really rich experience for you as well. So this is just kind of a rating scale that the director or the teacher will fill out, and then you can attach this at the end of the semester as well, along with that documentation of your hours. So I think I went through all of the information in this file for you to know exactly what you need to do to get started with your observations. If you have any questions about anything whenever it comes to setting up those observations, please don't hesitate to reach out, email me, or contact me. Again, those background checks are where you need to start. They must be done by February the 5th, and I will have a spot on February 5th for you to upload onto Blackboard the receipts of those background checks to verify that you did those as well. I also want you to really have confirmed where you want to observe by about February 5th, if not shortly after. So I will be touching base with you about that confirmation as well. 15 hours is not a lot of hours if you manage your time and you get it done. If you save it to the end of the semester, then it's going to be hard to get in. So make sure that you do get this scheduled, you get it on the calendar, and you commit to it so you do get that done. Again, it's a huge requirement, a huge part of the grade, and if you don't get this done, you can't pass that class. One of the other things I just wanted to bring up before we go, this Ecker's information tab here. This again is the book, that's what it looks like, that you should purchase. This is the book that you will be using to evaluate the classroom that you are observing in. Again, you will be observing in a preschool classroom, which is between the ages of 3 and 5. So make sure that you do schedule your observation with a preschool classroom, not an infant classroom, not a toddler classroom, not a kindergarten classroom, not a grade school classroom. It has to be preschool. I will be giving you some additional information on how to use the rating scale once everyone has completed the background check process and confirmed their observation location. So this will be, again, another video that I'll put up here on Blackboard to help you better understand how to use this book within your observation. So again, that's all I have for now. Again, if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and I hope that this video was helpful in getting you started and verifying all of the information that you need to know about getting your observation scheduled. Take care, have a great day. See you guys.